Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Wallpaper. This puts you directly where the carousel lives, so act now. Once the wallpaper page loads, look for Wallpaper Carousel or Lock Screen Carousel. Those labels control rotating images. Make sure you're signed into the same My account the phone uses, because the carousel ties to that account. If you don't see the option immediately, scroll within Wallpaper. The control is often nested under Lock Screen or More Settings, so keep looking until visible. Now tap the Wallpaper Carousel entry and choose Manage or Settings. This is where you actually switch things off. You will see toggles labeled Auto Change, Refresh, or Download. Turn each toggle off to stop new images and automatic swaps. Once disabled, use the Remove or Delete button to clear any downloaded carousel images from storage, which prevents automatic restart. Make sure to confirm prompts. If a confirmation asks to keep favorites, decide now, because keeping them can re-enable some behavior. Finish by selecting a static wallpaper from gallery or system images and apply it to home and lock screens. This replaces the carousel immediately. Once done, reboot the phone to ensure changes stick and make sure My account syncing didn't re-enable carousel settings. If the carousel persists, update MIUI. Bug fixes often resolve stubborn features. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: verify in settings that no third-party launcher or theme app is overriding the system wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.